We have our custom single clamp pallet inverter in the background, and we have our pendant control. I wanted to just walk you through the simplicity of the pendant control. We have here the start motor, real simple, green, which engages the motor. You have the stop button here, stop your motor. And here's again the start motor. And then you have the other two buttons which refer to the opening and closing of the jaw of the single clamp. So to open it up, you have the two arrows facing out from each other. This will open the jaw. Okay? The ones facing in will close the jaw. Real simple. Okay, and then the other two controls refer to the rotation. This is the counterclockwise rotation. As you can see, in the background, it's going counterclockwise. This will be your clockwise rotation. This pendant control is meant to be held up vertically, but for the sake of this video, we just want to show you the controls on a horizontal direction. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.